I'd like to introduce you to Google Presentations. We're going to be utilizing this for a lot of our coursework, so you can present anything that you would say on a PowerPoint, you can use Google Presentations for. So first you have to log into your Google account and come up here to this little apps box. You'll just click on it and go to your Google Drive. You can utilize this from any computer. You don't have to have it loaded on your desktop or laptop. You can be logged in anywhere. That's the great thing about Google and using their applications. So we're going to come over here to Create. You'll just click on Create, come down to Presentations. It's going to automatically open a box for us that's going to allow us to choose our design template that we want to use. Once that box comes up, you're just going to choose the theme that you want. Let's go with color stripe. You just click on the one you want, click OK, and that's going to open up our presentation. You'll have a lot of different tools up here on the top that you can choose from. Let's just go ahead and type in the name of our presentation. Now we can insert a new slide. Just come up here to Slide, click New Slide. It's automatically going to go to the next type that we want. If we don't want this layout, we can come up here and change the theme or change the layout that we want. And if we go to Title Only or Blank, I'm going to insert an image into here. I'll show you how to do that. So we'll just use blank. Now if we want to add an image, we come up here to Insert and Image. There's a couple different options here. It will go directly to your drive, or you can go out to your hard drive if you like. I like storing all my information on Google Drive because these applications work so well together. But if I want to insert something from the internet without having to tab between my tabs up here and have two different things open, I can just come down here to Search. This is automatically going to open up a Google search engine, and I can type in anything that I want, just like you would when you're doing research, and it's going to automatically search for any images that we want to use. Now I want to use this first one here, so I'll click on it. You can also see that it automatically gives you the information where it comes from. So I'll just click on this first image, and then I'm going to highlight where the image came from, and I'm going to copy and paste this so I don't have to worry about going back and trying to find out where I got this image from. So I'll just hit select after I've done that, and it's going to automatically load that image into my presentation. And then I want to add my citing, so I'm just going to add a text box in here. So I just come up here to where it says text box, come down here, draw my text box wherever I want it. I can always move this. And then I'm just going to copy and paste my information in. And I'm going to allow access. And I'm just going to move this down. So now we want another slide. So we're going to insert a new slide. And I'm going to change this one again. So we are going to go to change the layout. And we'll just go to text and body. So we can type our topic in, we can type anything we want, just like you would be doing a regular presentation. And now if we save this, this automatically saves for Google. One of the good things about Google, if your computer dies, you for some reason lose internet connection, it's going to save it as an untitled presentation. But we can come over here and File, and we can rename this to whatever we want. That way we can find it a little bit easier. So let's just name this Intro to Radiology. And click OK. Now you can see the name of that's changed up here. If I click on my Open Google Drive, it's going to automatically file this into my drive. And there it is right there. I'm under Most Recent, so it comes up. I don't have to do any searching for it, and it's right there at my fingertips. I don't have to worry about trying to find it or losing it. if you aren't very organized with how you choose to save your files. So this is what we're going to be utilizing throughout the course. So I want you to get used to this. You can also come up here and utilize any of these functions that we have over here to the left and explore those. We'll be getting into those a little bit later, but for right now we'll just stick to that presentation and we'll be using that shortly.